Imagine retiring early with enough income to spend freely every single year. Could you live off a small portfolio without ever running out of money? Today, we'll explore the 4% rule for unlimited spending from realistic perspectives. The 4% rule suggests withdrawing 4% of your portfolio annually to sustain longevity. This simple guideline helps you plan withdrawals based on clear mathematical assumptions. It assumes a balanced portfolio split between stocks and bonds for steady growth. Limiting withdrawals to 4% protects your savings against severe market downturns. Withdrawals adjust annually to inflation and portfolio value, ensuring consistent spending power. This approach prevents exhausting principal while maintaining sustainable income across decades confidently. First, calculate your safe withdrawal amount by multiplying savings by 0.04. For instance, a $200,000 portfolio yields $8,000 in withdrawals. Recalculate your withdrawal each year based on updated portfolio totals and inflation adjustments. This process keeps your spending aligned with real account performance and cost increases. Now let's examine real-life examples from everyday Americans pursuing financial freedom. Meet Steve, a 35-year-old software developer residing in Chicago, Illinois. Steve saved $300,000 through aggressive saving and disciplined investing habits. Following the 4% rule, he withdraws $12,000 annually for living expenses confidently. He monitors his portfolio quarterly and adjusts withdrawals based on performance fluctuations wisely. Now consider Mike, a 45-year-old marketing manager living in Austin, Texas. Mike built a $400,000 portfolio by diversifying across stocks and bonds. He withdraws $16,000 annually, following the 4% rule for sustainable spending. Mike reinvests any leftover funds in liquid savings to cover unexpected emergencies prudently. Now picture Jeff, a 30-year-old digital nomad, traveling across Southeast Asia indefinitely. Jeff accumulated $250,000 through freelance work and strict budgeting habits. Applying the 4% rule, he withdraws $10,000 annually for travel and living costs. He tracks expenses meticulously and adjusts withdrawals monthly based on portfolio performance fluctuations. This strategy allows Jeff to enjoy financial freedom without worrying about depleting principal prematurely. To begin calculating 4% of your total savings to determine your safe withdrawal amount. Use a reputable online calculator or simple spreadsheet to automate this critical calculation easily. Align your monthly budget strictly with your annual withdrawal to avoid overspending mistakes consistently. Rebalance your portfolio annually to maintain desired asset allocation and manage risk appropriately. Keep emergency funds separate so you don't dip into principal during unexpected financial setbacks. Consider diversifying income with side hustles, consulting, or passive rental earnings for extra cushion. Review your withdrawal strategy against hypothetical market downturns to build confidence and resilience proactively. Prioritize tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRA and 401k to maximize your withdrawal efficiency. Understand required minimum distributions only apply after age 72 in most retirement accounts.
Monitor inflation trends since high consumer price increases can erode your withdrawal purchasing power.
Adjust your withdrawal rate downward during high inflation periods to maintain sustainable spending flexibility. Account for healthcare expenses by estimating annual medical costs and adjusting your budget accordingly. Maintain spending discipline by automating withdrawals and transfers to prevent impulsive financial decisions. Establish clear financial goals like home renovations or travel experiences to motivate consistent saving. Share your withdrawal strategy with a trusted partner or advisor to gain accountability and feedback. Regularly review financial news, but avoid emotional reactions that could derail your long-term plan. Celebrate reaching milestones such as 1 year of consistent withdrawals without exhausting your portfolio. Leverage low-cost index funds to minimize fees and maximize net returns for spending purposes. Explore tax loss harvesting opportunities to offset gains and enhance your withdrawal tax efficiency annually. Consider building a bond ladder to lock in predictable income across different maturity dates seamlessly. Use Treasury inflation-protected securities as part of your bond allocation to hedge against inflation. Rotate equity allocations into defensive sectors like consumer staples and utilities during late market cycles. Dynamic withdrawal strategies can safely increase your spending rate when your portfolio outperforms expectations. Stay adaptable by reviewing your strategy whenever significant life or economic changes occur unexpectedly. Remember, your goal is sustainable freedom, not maximizing spending at the cost of security. Implement the 4% rule today and experience financial freedom without sacrificing your current lifestyle enjoyment. Stay disciplined, focus on long-term growth, and adjust spending based on portfolio performance realities. Now take action by calculating your safe spending amount and sticking to your plan consistently.